Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit a picture with formal attire in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. Once you have your project loaded, click on your photo on the canvas to select it. This will activate the editing options specifically for that image. After selecting the photo, look up at the top toolbar and click on Edit. This opens up all the advanced editing tools that Canva offers for transforming your images. Now, in the left panel, you'll see a Tools section. Scroll down until you find Reimagine, then click See All to expand the available options. From the list that appears, click on Magic Edit. This is Canva's AI-powered tool that allows you to make intelligent edits to specific parts of your image, making it perfect for changing clothing or adding elements to your photos. Once the Magic Edit panel opens, make sure that Brush is selected as your editing tool. This gives you precise control over which part of the image you want to modify. Before you start painting, take a moment to adjust the brush size using the slider. You want the brush to be large enough to cover the clothing area efficiently, but not so large that it goes beyond the clothes and into other parts of the image. Finding the right size will make your editing much more accurate. With your brush sized correctly, it's time to paint over the clothes you want to change. This could be a shirt, jacket, dress, or any other piece of clothing in the photo. Carefully brush over the entire area you want to replace, making sure you cover all the parts that need to be changed to formal attire. The more precise you are here, the better your final result will be. After you've painted the area, look for the Describe Your Edit box in the Magic Edit panel. This is where you'll tell Canva's AI exactly what you want to appear in place of the original clothing. Type a clear and specific prompt that describes the formal attire you have in mind. For example, you could type formal black suit and tie if you're editing a male subject, or formal white blouse and blazer for a more professional female look. The more specific you are with your description, the better the AI can match your vision. Once you've entered your prompt, click the Generate button. Now you'll need to wait for a while as Canva's AI processes your request and creates the formal attire based on your description. This usually takes just a few moments, but the processing time can vary depending on the complexity of the edit and current server load. Just be patient and let the magic happen. When the generation is complete, you'll see the results appear in the Magic Edit panel. Review the generated options to see how the formal attire looks on your photo. If you're satisfied with the results, simply click the X button on the Magic Edit panel. This will close the editing interface and replace the original clothes with the new formal attire you've created, and that's it. You've successfully transformed casual clothing into formal attire using Canva's Magic Edit feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.